Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure that you have the following tools on hand: a soft cloth, a small screwdriver, a brush for dust removal, and a can of compressed air. These will help you in accessing hard-to-reach areas and removing any built-up debris. Begin by disconnecting your Conga 05796 from its charging dock. This is important to avoid any accidental activation during the cleaning process. Next, turn the vacuum upside down. You will notice several screws that secure the bottom cover. Using your small screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is crucial to ensure that reassembly is smooth. Once the screws are removed, lift the bottom cover. You may find hair, dust, and other debris accumulated around the brushes and wheels. Use your brush to gently remove this buildup. If you encounter any stubborn debris, a can of compressed air can help dislodge it. Now, let's focus on the filter. Locate the filter compartment, usually found at the back of the vacuum. Remove the filter and tap it gently to remove any excess dust. If the filter appears excessively dirty, consider washing it under running water, making sure it is completely dry before reinserting it. After you've cleaned the filter, take a moment to inspect the sensors. These tiny components are critical for the robot's navigation. Wipe them gently with a soft, dry cloth to ensure they function properly. At this point, if you feel that cleaning your vacuum is beyond your capabilities or you simply don't have the time, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained professionals can assess your vacuum's condition and provide recommendations without any pressure to proceed. Now, proceed to reassemble the vacuum. Place the bottom cover back on, ensuring that all parts fit snugly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten and risk damaging the plastic. Once the vacuum is back together, it's time to clean the exterior. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the outside, removing any dust and fingerprints. This will not only enhance the appearance but also help maintain its functionality. If you ever find yourself busy or unable to perform these tasks, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it convenient for you to maintain your vacuum without any calls or travel hassle. Finally, after everything is clean and reassembled, place your Conga 05796 back on its charging dock. It's important to ensure that it's properly connected to its power source. To sum up, regularly cleaning your Conga 05796 will enhance its performance and extend its lifespan. And if you ever need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Keeping your vacuum in top shape doesn't have to be a chore. With just a little effort, you can ensure it's always ready to tackle the cleaning tasks you throw at it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.